In this video, you'll learn how to compare Udemy and Skillshare to determine which platform is best suited for your learning needs. By examining course content, pricing models, and aligning with your personal learning goals, you will be equipped to make an informed decision. Begin by comparing the course content offered by both platforms. Udemy provides a diverse range of subjects, including programming, marketing, finance, design, and personal development. Each course is created by independent instructors from various backgrounds, allowing for a broad spectrum of perspectives. In contrast, Skillshare primarily targets creative fields such as graphic design, photography, illustration, and animation. The learning style on Skillshare emphasizes project-based lessons and creative assignments. Understanding these differences in course content is essential to choosing the right platform for your educational pursuits. Next, evaluate the pricing models of Udemy and Skillshare. Udemy typically sells courses individually, meaning that when you purchase a course, you gain lifetime access to it. This model can be advantageous if you're interested in a specific topic. On the other hand, Skillshare operates on a subscription basis, offering unlimited access to all courses for a monthly or yearly fee. This approach may be more economical if you wish to explore multiple courses regularly. Consider your budget and how often you plan to engage with the platforms to determine which pricing model aligns better with your financial situation. After assessing course content and pricing, decide based on your personal learning goals. If your objectives include structured skill development and professional advancement, Udemy may be the more suitable option. This platform is often favored for technical skills and career-related courses. Conversely, if you're a creative learner who enjoys project-based experiences, Skillshare is likely to cater to your interests more effectively. Many users gravitate towards Skillshare for exploring creative hobbies and design-focused lessons. Identifying your goals will significantly influence your choice of platform. It is also important to consider the potential for additional costs. While Udemy courses typically have one-time fees, Skillshare's subscription may lead to ongoing expenses. If you plan to take advantage of Skillshare's extensive library, be mindful of your commitment to the subscription. Additionally, check your internet speed and storage availability before starting. Slow connections might affect your experience, especially with video content, and insufficient storage could limit your ability to download materials for offline access. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.